A riddle for Inyana de Yoima. The last couple of years, everybody is speaking about drones, right? Drones became part of our lives, unfortunately. How can it be that a person flies a drone on a weekday, Monday morning, Wednesday afternoon? He didn't damage anyone. There's no Indian of Nedarim, everybody is healthy, and yet he's going to get Malkus. You fly a drone on Thursday at 1 p.m. Malkus. No damage whatsoever. No Nedarim, everybody is healthy. Malkus. Lemaise. How can it be?
I don't know, but Hezekiah somewhere?
No damage whatsoever, including Hezekiah. No damage. And do you get Malkus for Hezekiah?
No.
Monday, a complete Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday, no matter where you are, it's going to be complete, a weekday, not Yontif, not Shabbos, a weekday, Monday afternoon.
Taking a picture of something or just flight?
No, Ezekiel, cameras are not working, or there's no cameras at all. You took a drone, you flew it, you flew it! Malkus. Can it be? Can it be, yes or no? Oh. Now the details?